So what I have now pulled up is the Scrapbook function of our Edge software. And by the way, the software comes free when you buy the 3M Super Close Projection System, or if you buy one of our dry erase boards. But one of the unique things about the software, the Scrapbook feature in the software, is it basically kind of works like PowerPoint does. It allows you to create your own slides, your own lesson plans if you're a teacher, and then recreate them or move them around. I can move things around. These are just things that I've kind of done over the last few days. I actually went and captured these off a website, and once you capture them off a website, they become object files, allowing you to move them around, size them differently, rotate them, and do whatever it is that you need to do to create your lesson plans or your slides. I can now go back, pick another one. This actually was from a video. We paused the video and we captured it and brought it into Scrapbook, allowing me to then talk about it further if I want. If I have something that's kind of wordy or got a lot of text in it, I can double click that, and then selecting my scroll feature, I can then select top down and scroll, showing you just what I want you to see when I want you to see it, so that you're not reading ahead. As my students, we're all on the same page in the classroom. It's a control technique that works very, very well, keeping everybody on the same page in the learning environment. What's nice about that too is you can change it up a little bit and actually make it come left to right, so that you can reveal the questions, and then after you want to show them the answers, you can reveal the answers as well. Just some other things to make learning fun. Another nice one is if you've got some objects on there and you want them to find certain things up there on that projected area, you can then select a circle or a square and just tell the student to come up and put the circle around the box, or put the circle around the circle, or whatever you want to have them do, and they can just create that and make learning a little more enjoyable in the classroom. Back to the Scrapbook. I can pull up my slides. As you saw, they're all object files now. So this is how teachers are creating their own lesson plans and putting them together, allowing them to use them over and over again as many times as they want, and save them down the line. One other nice feature of the software is it allows you to share your Scrapbook images as static images with any other location in the world real time. So for real-time meetings, distance learning applications, the feature here enables you to click it and share it. All the participants on the far end need is a computer, an internet connection, and the software. This software loaded on their computer, and as I said, it's free of charge. Then I can share all these slides with them real time, with any annotations that I want to be able to draw over them as I'm sharing them. So I can go to full slide here. Pull this over, pull up my little annotation tools, and then if there's a particular thing I want to emphasize, that far participant in my meeting, they could be anywhere, as I said, in the world, as long as they have a computer and internet connection, would see the annotations that I'm drawing here real time as I draw them on their computer. And of course, if they had our setup, they'd be able to take their pen and do the same thing right back at the rest of the group, having all of us view any annotations that any one of us are doing at any given moment in time. The host, of course, can control that and give the ability for any of the participants to be able to take over and control that meeting and draw and highlight things over that. One other nice feature of the software allows me to create my own lesson plans. So this is just a website that I'm on right now, but if there's something that I want to grab there, I can click my little camera. It asks me if I want to capture the entire screen or just a selection on the screen. If I select the selection on the screen, and now my pen becomes my selector, if I want to bring this area here onto my slide, it's done that for me. Now I can go ahead. Okay, so there it is. I can then size it, rotate it, do anything I want with it, move it around on the screen, bring it over here where I need it, and then when I want to discuss it, I can make it as big as I need to. So nice feature. I can do that on the web. I can do that anywhere at all. So again, makes creating lesson plans and what you want to teach your students very simple.